Here, let's start. Because Alex and I, man, we are way too humble, guys. People, you know what sells? We're not here to sell anything. This is our life. The people are posting shit on Instagram. They're fake as fuck. That's why they need to brag. Alex doesn't even show a single picture of his Lamborghini. You haven't seen me with any exotic cars in a while. They're all fucking in the garage. You don't even see where I live. You know, all you see is me walking around in a fucking hat. So fucking, I'm still doing, check this out, man. Shorts, t-shirt. I'm wearing like a fucking these $40 Nike shoes that I bought that I fucking love because they were on clearance. You know, that's the kind of guy we are. Instead of getting 2 courtside tickets, we're gonna buy 4 regular tickets so that 2 MIC guys can go with us. Those are the type of people we are. But I know, man, I told Alex this week, fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Time to enjoy life and not feel guilty because we make money. Making money should not be guilty, guys. We work our ass off. Alex woke up today at 4 a.m. That's like 1 a.m. my time. I woke up today before 5 a.m. We put in the work, we make money. Why should we feel guilty? We feel guilty is because we are humble people and we're taught to be humble. And we want to help other people. But, you know, man, sometimes we have to help ourselves, guys. Seriously, guys. So, fuck it. We're going to fucking enjoy our life. You're going to see our life now. We are not by any means needing to fucking do this for a living. We make plenty of money on our own. This is the difference between a real guy, real motherfucker, and the rest of those guys, the Furu guys that post all lifestyle shit. If you go on Instagram and you see lifestyle, you see my Instagram is nothing but jokes and trading. Jokes and trading. Those are my life. My life is enjoy shit with my friends and to trade. These other guys, they claim to be expert traders, but you don't even see a single trade from them. You go to my Twitter, all you see are charts every day. How could I fake a chart every day? But anyways, I'm gonna bring Alex on. Here, Alex, raise your hand. I'm gonna bring you on. And then you'll continue to preach, man. Time to have fun, Alex. This is the Times Square of LA, guys.
Yo, you see me?
Hey, perfect.
What's up, bro? You forgot one thing, bro. It's not just charts and funny jokes. You forget the food, bro. You post food every day too.
Oh yeah, food.
Bro, dude. You eat like a motherfucking prince, dude.
Dude, that's what we spend our money on. Alex spends it on a Supreme brick, shit like that.
Yeah. I spend it on shit like this, bro. A fucking portal gun. A fucking dinosaur head. I spend it on.
Dude, I love that dinosaur head. You got head, bro. You got head. Every day you look at your friend give you head.
Dude, I like what you said before about doing a birthday kind of promotion. So when that kind of comes close, because Bao's birthday is in December, December 11th, right? So Bao's birthday is in December. So I think what we should do, bro, is I think you're totally right. Let's pick 2 lifetime members to come see the game with us. We'll pick whatever game is close by, and maybe we'll start to do that in November. So maybe in November we'll start to run a promo on that because I think that's a lot of fun, man.
Yeah, instead of us wasting. I mean, I wish we can waste ourselves like all the other foods, right? They would buy the court side and pump it to pretend that there's lifestyle. But what we do is we like to enjoy with our members as well. So this is your chance, guys. Join as a lifetime member. We don't have that many, so we'll randomly pick someone. We have to give them time too, Alex, so that they can fly here.
Yes.
So
we'll do maybe first week of November or second week of November as we approach.
And we have another promotion too. Because my friend, check this out, guys. So I don't know, you know BTS. That's the biggest K-pop group in the world. They are the biggest. It's a Korean pop, right? They call BTS. Mm-hmm. So the guys are watching me. I know you don't understand this shit. Neither do I, bro. But dude, they are the biggest fucking shit. And that no shit, no joking. Dude, we paid $15,000, $18,000 for a suite to fucking see these fuckers. I've never heard of them. So I bought it for my family. But part of the suite, we paid so much fucking money for the suite to see these guys that they gave me a free suite for a college football game, like a bowl. It's called California Bowl. And so it's I told you about this. It's going to be December 12th, I think. I'll confirm. But I have space for 10. It's on the field. It's a suite on the fucking field level. This is the best fucking shit.
That's sick.
So,
yeah, dude, we'll make it happen.
So we'll do that for MIC guys as well. So we'll do the annuals for that, and lifetime will get the Laker tickets. So we're doing the raffle for both of those. So that's fucking awesome. So, and how will we be able to do this, Alex? I mean, this is. I mean, I paid all this shit by myself. So I mean, just like you. So show us how we do it, man, dude. Just check out Alex. Go for it.
This is today, bro. This is $136,100 in fucking 36 minutes, bro.
Okay, so pull up your watch list because people think like, hey, man, you're secretly pumping and dumping and shit like that.
Let's show you. Give me 1 second. Let me pull that up. So, where is it? Okay, so BKKT, hot chick. Wait for this one to break 43, and I'll be interested in the short. Under 40, I think it melts down. And then if you look at, I'll show you.
What time? What time did you post this?
That was 8:22 a.m., which was about an hour before the market opened.
1 hour. You could have planned this trade, guys.
Yep. And now let me pull up my fills on it. Give me 1 second. There's so much stuff in here. But the point is, guys, on these trades is we pre-planned everything. Every single trade today was pre-planned. Look, right here. So my plan was to short at 43. I shorted at 43. And I got out very low 30s.
Look at the time, Sam. What time?
Yeah.
9 a.m. Half an hour after you posted the watch list, right?
Yeah, dude. It's because what we waited for, and look at this, 28 is when I got out. So I even fucked this up.
43 to 28.
It's at $23 right now, bro. It's at 23. So I would have made another probably 50 grand. But a lot of this stuff, guys, is so. What me and Bao created is we create a free webinar course for you guys. This is basically going to take you through the A to Z of trading. And it actually even has a live trade of me making $18,000 in 5 minutes. So if you guys are brand new to trading, or you guys are curious about MIC, or you guys want to kind of find out more info, go to myinvestingclub.co, not .com, and sign up for the webinar. If you guys are already in MIC, you don't need to sign up. You've already seen this stuff. So if you are a brand new trader and you want to see what we are all about, you'll see this webinar course. It's free education. It's going to teach you about some of our strategies, and you're going to see my live trade. So that's number one.
Go show them go on the website and show them what it looks like. myinvestingclub.co, okay? Not com, .co. Just so that when they go in there, they can see. So guys that are not in MIC, you got to go there now. Watch the free trading webinar on how we do this.
Yep.
This is no bullshit, guys. This is completely free, the webinar.
This is what it looks like. You come here,
Alex.
You click register now, and that's it. You reserve your spot.
That took Alex, what, 4 months plus to create?
Yeah, 4 months. So basically, guys, you're going to see the A to Z of how to start day trading. You're going to see a live trade from me, and you're going to see me recap my $700,000 AMC trade. So all that stuff is going to be in there for free. And today I want to talk about the trades I made. It was $135,000, and it's kind of crazy, guys, because whenever you wake up in the market, you do not know what to expect. You have an idea, you have a game plan, but you don't know what type of action you're going to see in the market. And the big thing today for me was BKKT. So yesterday, me and Bao warned endlessly, do not short this stock. Do not short this stock. Do not short this stock. And the stock went from $10 all the way to $60, guys. 10 to 60. If you shorted it even once, no matter where you shorted it yesterday, you would have lost money. So Bao and I have lost so much money, bro. So much money holding all day. So much money trading random shit. So much money doing everything wrong that we now know which stocks to avoid. So avoiding BKKT yesterday was the best trade ever because today, when we came into the market, we were able to make a plan based on the price action and not based on our emotions. And that is why
I actually went long yesterday, Alex.
Yeah, that's actually one thing. So exactly. So Bao's going to be talking about this in his segment when we finish this up. But basically, Bao goes long on the front side, and I go short on the back side, and that's basically a big thing. So let me show you guys. My plan on the watch list was 43.
The reason why I chose the 43 line was this. So if you go to, give me one second. So this is what I drew on BKKT. I said, this is the line over here, 43, 44. If it breaks this line, it's going to be broken. So basically what I did is I had this stock go down. I shorted the bounce and all the way back down from 43 to 24. You could have made $20 a share, guys. Even 1,000 shares, you could have made $20,000.
Even 100 shares. Let's do realistic, okay? Not many people have the balls to do 1,000 shares. Even 100 shares, Alex. 100 shares. That's like what, a $3,000 trade?
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll net you $2,000.
Yeah, exactly. It was a big money play, and the best thing about it was that we avoided the short yesterday to go short today, and now it was just pure money. So that was definitely the best trade of the day. I actually underperformed because it went so much lower without me, but the other trade was DWAC, guys. So DWAC, last week I lost $70,000 on it. In one day, I lost $70,000. I shorted at 11, and I got out at 14. That 14 exit was my best trade of the year because had I held that, I would have lost $1 million. I would have lost $1 million. Instead, I lost $70,000. I felt like a rock star because I stuck to the plan, stuck to the process, got out at 14. So I lost $70,000.
So those that don't know, DWAC went to $175 the same day.
So I got it out at 14, and it went to 175.
Holy shit! Just
I
the
saved
106 long.
I saved myself a Lambo, a fucking house, everything, bro.
I think you might have jumped out the window somewhere, bro.
I might have not seen me the next day, bro.
You would not be going to the front courtside tickets with us.
definitely not going to the courtside.
You might have been working there.
I was the guy cleaning the floor, bro. That's what was gonna fucking happen.
Oh, man. But this is awesome. So that's the thing. So talk about that, Alex. So you took a big hit, but that wasn't the end, because you know what, man? We all lose, right? This is the thing people don't understand. You see all these crews always posting big wins, but never post a single loss. So talk about that. Talk about how you lost, and you know what, man? That's just part of the game. Part of the trading process is risk management.
Yep, and that's the main thing that we've been talking about, guys, is having a max size and a max loss. So also what I like to do, guys, is I like to have a plan in mind. What am I going to do if things go right, and what am I going to do if things go wrong? I need an exit strategy for my winners, just like I need an exit strategy for my losers. So DWAC, when it was zombie times, and I was upside down, I said, you know what? I have to eat it, because I've seen this happen plenty of times. I ate the loss, and as I was doing my YouTube live, it went from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that already made me feel good. But the main thing that I wanted to do is make sure that I did not lose it off radar. So yesterday is when we started to finally see this stock starting to unwind. And this morning we had a PR. A PR came out on DWAC that said Donald Trump wants to do a video service with his stock, whatever. Stock went to $95, guys. $95, but something different happened. This time, it didn't continue to go higher on the news. It actually was a catalyst for it to go lower. It just went lower and lower and lower. So all of a sudden, we have a stock that is not going up on a PR, that is close to the red level. So my plan was very, very simple, guys, and I talked about it in MIC. I would short DWAC if it went red. That's it. That was my plan. If it went red, I would short it and I would size into it. And you can see right here, this is when the PR came out. Fail, fail, fail. Morning pop failed. As soon as it went red here, guys, as soon as it went red at 84, it hit as low as $65. So you could have made, and it hasn't gone back green since. So this was my plan. Short it when it went red, and you have all this money to make, guys. And I actually fucked up. I got out around 79, 78. Before it went down to 64. So even with poor execution, because my plan was so solid, I mean, everyone made money today. It was a great day, man.
Guys, you have to understand this. We think it's a shitty trade that we left money on the table, but had it gone up, it was the best trade. So this shows you that you can never get the tops, never get the bottoms. Make the meat of the move, which is the safety. The safest thing to do is just make the meat and let someone else eat the bones. If you are too greedy, that's how you lose back all your money. There are other traders out there that were up $300,000 and gave it all back being greedy. You know, you cannot be that, guys. The secret is this, man. Stop comparing yourself to everybody else. We tell you how much we make. We show you our trades. We show you what we do, not for you to compare, but for you to motivate yourself that this is possible. That there are good people out there that's teaching you that this is possible, not these fake guys. Okay, this is not for you to compare, because your chapter 1 is not going to be compared to our chapter 1 million, right, guys? So keep that in mind. You level up the right way, and within MIC, there are many different guys and different levels to help you get up there.
Exactly. The big thing to keep in mind, guys, is the last 3 months of the year historically are the craziest times for the stocks that we trade. It is when the market is the hottest. It is when you can make your year in a month. So, I mean, if you guys aren't trying to learn, or if you guys aren't trying to improve, or if you guys don't care about it, whales like me, sharks like Bao are going to come and take all the money. And, guys, look at this. So I had my broker, Cobra, run my numbers. So far, from January 1 until today, up almost $3 million after fees, guys. After fees. So probably around 3.5, maybe even 4. And this is trading 1 hour a day, man. So, I mean, I don't understand why you guys don't want to even try this. You guys are investing into a business. The way I explain is this. Imagine if you want to start any business, you have to buy inventory. Before you have inventory, you cannot do it. Joining MIC is your inventory. You pay $2,000 to join the annual membership, and then God willing.
Did we raise it though?
See, now we raise it, exactly. So you join MIC.
Hit up Tosh, guys. Hit up Tosh. He may work out something for you. So
yeah. So you can hit up Tosh. We'll maybe work on a discount. But the point is this, guys. You are, with your education, you are investing into inventory. You buy inventory for, let's say, $4,000. If you sell it right, you can make $10,000. That's the way MIC works. You are buying the potential to eventually start a 6- and 7-figure business. You know what I'm saying? I mean, dude, shit, dude, 135,000 in 1 day, 3 million in 1 year, and bro, I'm still fucking 27 years old. We got at least 15 more years of this shit, dude. So
and I'm telling you guys, man, this is knowledge that's passed on. You cannot learn this shit on your own. There's no fucking way unless you fucking do this shit for 20 years. I've been doing this for so long. I've been mentoring so many people that have become millionaires like Alex. I mean, that's a fact. Guys are running other big ass rooms. They learn from me, you know, shit like that, guys. So I'm not here to brag. I'm just here to show you that the process works. That we are able to teach people to become millionaires, and we have within MIC. Yep. We're the only ones in MIC, actually. We're the only ones, I think, that teaches people from scratch to become consistently profitable.
And that's why we want only the serious people, bro. That's what separates us from everyone else. Is, you know, we don't want your $20 a month. We don't want your $200 a month anymore. We only want people that are serious, because this is life-changing money, bro. I make more money than anyone that I know in 90% less time, but it took me years to learn this. I'm not saying you have to learn it for years, but you have to at least be serious enough. And there has to be some sort of money correlated to being serious, or else you don't care. So,
guys, it's like this, Alex. We always say we're the Harvard, the Stanford of trading. You think you can just go to Harvard for one day? Yeah. You're right. You have to attend for a fucking 4-year university, guys. You know, and then this is the same concept. We don't want guys to walk off the fucking street and cause trouble and think, oh, that's what happened last week. Last week, some guy came in literally after 2 days. He goes, "Where's Lambo?
Where's Lambo?
Where's Lambo?" I swear to God, he goes, "Dude, I'm ready. I need to make back my membership dues." I'm like, "Bro,
yeah,
you paid
he studied 8 videos. He watched 8 videos, and he's asking where his Lambo is. I mean, even if you go to Harvard and you go to Harvard for 8 days, they're not giving you a doctorate degree. So have realistic expectations. I make more than a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, and a CEO combined, but it took me some time to learn. But I promise you, even if you learn for 1 year, you're going to be making way more money than you're making now. You just got to fucking try it. You got to be serious.
This was the goal from MIC from the beginning, guys. This is an academy. This is not a chat room. The goal is to do this. This is an alternative for college for real, guys. You know, college is not for everybody. I went to college. I went to college, individual. Yeah, and so
I spent probably $100K.
How much did we spend? How much did you spend? How much did you spend on college?
I spent $100K on college, and I was the guy sitting in the back, trading on my laptop. I was making $200 a day trading on my laptop, and I would use $100 of that to have people do my homework.
Yeah, but you see, Alex spent $100,000, and we are charging a few $1,000s for our curriculum. So think about this. This is the best college alternative you're ever gonna fucking get, guys. You fucking ask your parents. You know, this is I never talked about this before because, you know, until we're ready, right? I think we're truly ready for our curriculum, our people to be a real alternative for college, guys.
Yep.
You know, instead of paying fucking $100,000 a year for college nowadays, fuck, man, enroll in MIC.
And you know what the funny thing is, bro? The funny thing is there is a reason why popular prop firms and popular hedge funds are taking our traders and not anyone else's traders. Think about that, bro. Just think about that for one fucking second. The most profitable multi-million-dollar, multi-billion-dollar hedge fund prop traders are pulling from MIC. They join MIC to poach our fucking traders. Why do you think that is, man?
It's true, man. That's how I met Alex. That year at Traders for a Cause when I first met you, bro. When you were what, 19? I don't know how old are you, man.
I think that was when 20? I was 20 years old, bro. Maybe even fucking maybe 21, maybe. But
2021.
Yeah, bro,
that was before MIC. That was the very first time I showed anybody how much I made, and people were like, "What the fuck? This kid?" So I'm not gonna tell you names, but a recruiter for that big ass prop firm came up to me and wanted me to work for them, and then they offered me all this money, and I'm gonna do it's okay. And so same thing happened. So we started MIC. You know, we Alex and I became friends for a few years after that, and we started MIC. And the same prop firm was like, "Dude, make a choice.
Yeah. Anyway, bro, I'm gonna let you go back to your IG. I know the topic that we wanted to talk about today was front side and back side. So Bao's going to talk about how he made money long on the front side and how we make money on the back side. So I'll see you guys in a few.
All right.
We'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.
All right. Good job, Alex. Kicking ass. Bro. All right, man. So the thing is this, guys. I mean, I've been doing this for a long time. Everybody has their niche specialty. When I started trading, I was a long bias trader. I traded penny stocks way back in the day. I made a ton of money. And so I understand how pumps work. I understand the beginning of a catalyst of a pump to the top. I discovered things like the 3-day rule. You know, there are tricks and stuff that I've actually created that a lot of people have been using for decades now. And so we've taken all that, and, you know, markets change, obviously. It's not the same market as it was 10 years ago. But you have to adapt, but the same concepts apply. Risk management, understand technical analysis. So notice, like, the lines are used everywhere now. People are stopped trying to use fancy-ass Bollinger Bands on these small cap intraday trades, right? Those things still may work on a different time frame basis level. But you know what, man? Do what works for you. What we do is we simplify everything. I call it KISS, keep it simple, stupid. And so the anatomy of a pump is very simple, guys. It needs to go up. In order to have a solid trade on a short side, you need what's called meat. You need it to go up to the point where it's ridiculous levels that you can, so that when it starts to go down, people just get crushed. And the more people get crushed on the long side, the shorts bank. And that's how BKKT, Alex, made $100,000. BKKT was like fucking like $10 yesterday, guys. $10. I was long that stock. And in MIC, guys, you guys were in MIC, I was calling every single long move. And what we call that is I call it the first bounce, because that's the strategy we use to bounce these stocks. And dude, we were dead on accurate, right, guys? The guys in MIC, you guys saw us trading BKKT on the long side. Other guys are getting blown away trading the short side, but we're trading the long side of that stock and made money. And so, and then I mean, dude, I'm not gonna hold that overnight. I mean, you can, but you know, I woke up like, holy crap, it's like $50. $50. I was trading that thing at $20, guys. And so, you know, so when it starts to go down, the anatomy of a trade is very simple. It has to go up before it goes down. But it always, always, always goes down. The problem is we don't know when it goes down. And this is why I love small caps. I love small caps because, to be honest, there's no fucking like Goldman Sachs buying the shit for their fucking clients and shit like that and holding it for 5-10 years. You know, the anatomy of a small cap is very simple. It's a pump and dump. Most of them is a pump and dump. I'm not saying all of them. Most of them is a pump and dump. And that's why they're fucking small caps. Their goal is to raise money. They don't make enough money. They make money by selling paper. They do offerings, financing, things like that. And so we always know it's going to go up and down. So Alex waits for the top. When it starts to, when the top is set and when it starts to break down, Alex hammers that shit on the short side. I like to do both. You know, sometimes sometimes I just wait for the backside. A lot of times, sometimes I wait for the front side and go long too. So we teach both strategies, guys. You can make money on the way up and the way down. So I made money on the way up on BKKT and also on the way down, shorting it. So there's many different ways you can do it, guys. So I don't want to keep talking about how you trade like that. You guys all know what I do. You know what Alex does. We have the free YouTube channel, guys. I'm very excited now because I want to show you. I want to walk you around this area, guys. That's more what I'm important about. Alex wants me to talk about trading, but I'm done with trading. Check out this out, guys. This is fucking sick. This is the Times Square of LA. I'm gonna bring someone on, guys. Raise your hand if you want to come on. I'm telling you, man. Stick to the MIC process. Okay, who's in MIC now? Okay, we have 370 people watching. What do you think? All the guys are in MIC. We are the only ones, guys. We are the only ones that are brave enough to do a live, an IG live, and ask people if we are legit or not. Tell everybody what you guys think of MIC. Seriously, guys. I want everybody to know because I'm so sick of being the nice guy that takes all the rap. Because what's going to happen is this, man. You're going to join another room because some guy shows a Lambo. You're going to join another room because you think that guy makes money. But he does not make money. He's just a lifestyle fake guru. Okay? We are fucking real. And it's about time people see that we're fucking real. That's why I want Alex to come out of his shell. Naturally, we are shy individuals. But you know what, man? We are trying to save lives here. Because people only join MIC after they blow up. They pay $5,000 to join a pump room. When we told them, do not join a pump room. They'll learn you are learning nothing except to chase and be sheep. And then they lose all their money. They come, can we get a discount? I'm like, dude, you lost all your fucking money. But why are we the only ones taking a discount? So screw that, guys. So we decided to cut off the monthlies and have serious people only. I think the environment at the MIC is much cleaner now. We have serious students that are there for at least 1 year, just like a college, and not in and out like a drive-in, like a drive-through. So that's the thing, guys. Do you want to make this work? And I'm telling you guys, man, give us a year of your fucking life to study, guys, and we will change your life. You only need $200 a day to supplement your income. I'm not even telling you to quit your job. Do not quit your job. I keep telling everyone, do not quit your job. But there are people in MIC that make enough money now and become consistent that do quit their job. But I tell everybody, do not. Because, you know, you don't need to trade all day. Alex trades an hour a day, makes $3 million. And he's only 20-something years old, learning the strategies that we teach, guys. And hey, look, the guys that joined Lifetime when we launched have a hell of a deal right now, guys. Oh my God, dude. They the Lifetime prices went up a lot, but Tasha will still give you guys some discounts. But dude, the prices are going up every year because our goal is to turn this into a training academy, guys. You know, there's a lot of things up in the pipeline that we're building. We're just getting started. And I'm telling you guys, man, I am here out in the open. You can come out here. You know, I'm not afraid because we don't do anything wrong. You will never see any other of those guys walk around in public, guys. And that's what I want to show you guys. You will never see those guys walk around in public. They scam everybody, right? We don't scam anybody. So take a look at the user comments right now. You have 360 people watching right now, and no one's trolling. I'm surprised. Even the trolls. I think I even converted the trolls into to supporters because it's true, guys. We are no bullshit. But I want to talk about life right now, guys. A real serious statement. So what you see here is a really expensive area called it's called LA Live. It's where Staples Center. That's where the Los Angeles Lakers at NBA play. But you know what, man? What's very sad is contrasting like a couple blocks down from here. Let me walk with you guys. A couple blocks down from here, guys, is the ghetto. So that's the thing that's within these downtown areas, guys. We are very fucking blessed. I am so blessed. I mean, I'm surrounded by, this is money. This is money. This area is money. Fucking the Lakers game cost $1,000 a ticket, shit like that, right? It's just ridiculous amount of money that normal people cannot afford anymore. And then, but you know what, man? I still keep humble because you know what, man? I'm outside of this money bubble are very poor individuals. Let me walk down the street. Maybe we'll show you. You know, this is the thing that what sucks, man. I stay within my little fucking area. I have a fucking, my place is so nice. I have a fucking valet. He pulls up my car. I have a doorman, shit like that. I mean, dude, I just feel so blessed. I never have to leave my house. He gets my packages for me. He, you know, I do anything that I fucking want. And then, but the thing is, like, those guys are normal guys too. They're not paid big bucks, but we all treat them very nicely. You know, I always say hi to them, all that. But down the street, let me show you. Down the street, guys. This is billion-dollar area, right? But down the street, you're gonna see people selling food on the streets, things like that. So it's a society where, man, the rich are getting richer and the poor getting poorer. Why is the rich not helping the poor? Because the rich are scared. The rich people are scared to lose their place in line. Scared that the poor people rise up and take their jobs. You know why? Because they lack a skill, guys. Those guys are afraid to help other people, lack of true skill. Alex and I can sit down on any fucking computer and make money. I don't give a fuck what people say. I don't need anything. I can sit down and make my own money. Same thing with Alex. We are teaching people to become self-sufficient and change their life. Okay? You become self-sufficient so you don't need to say, yes, please, please, and be a slave to anybody. Once you learn a skill, you know, a skill could be programming, it could be anything, but the skill that we are teaching is day trading. Once you have the skill, guys, we are not afraid to help other people get up there. I have always said to myself, the moment I quote unquote make it, I will help other people and never forget. And I've never forgot anybody. Let me start blocking some of these. Yeah, if you speak some Arabic thing, or I don't know, I think they're bots. That's why, guys. That's why I'm blocking these guys. So I'm gonna walk down the street. Let me turn around now. So where the heck am I? That's Staples Center. But like I said, man, if we are not afraid to teach people this skill, because your job is to become self-sufficient, guys. The moment you become self-sufficient, your life changes tremendously. And that's all we ask, for you to give a month, a year, not even a month, a year of your life, and you change your life. I really don't need you to join, to be honest. Alex and I do well and ready. You know, there'll be one day that Alex and I will not do this anymore. So you should take advantage of the time that we still want to do this. I'm getting very tired of this. My goal is to train enough MIC members to be able to take over the world and help other traders. All right, I'm going to put on Sir Murdad. Random, I never heard who he is before, but he said, please put me on. Okay.
Yo,
Hey.
what's up, Bao?
What's
How are
up?
you, buddy?
Tell everybody, what's your
What's
name, who
up?
you
What's
are, and all
up?
that.
Yo,
What's
my
up?
name is Merdad. I go by Blue Trades in MIC.
Blue Trades.
Yeah, and then I'm from Canada, actually. I spoke
Oh,
to you
what
on
city?
multiple.
What city?
I'm from Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah.
So how's it
I've
going,
been
man? Tell everybody what's going
not
on.
bad. I've actually
This is
had
the
one of
first
my
time I
best.
saw your face, so.
I've had one of my best days the past couple of weeks, like back-to-back
Oh,
best days. Yeah.
shit. So tell us what did you trade and what you do? Tell us about that trade, man.
So I was just this past couple of days, I've been trading DVAC, Fund, CRTD today.
Are you short?
Yeah, short bias mostly. Yeah, I go long on extreme dips and flushes against support, but that's
The first
something.
bounce,
But
right?
that
The first bounce has been money
first
on these stocks.
bounce, yeah. For example, I did a lot of first bounces on what was it, RKKT yesterday after hours. Yeah, after it broke the
Yeah,
highs.
BKKT.
Yeah,
Did I not
BKKT. I mean.
did I not call that shit? I told you that shit is going crazy,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. So yeah, I just want to say what up to you and the rest of the fam watching this. Yeah, no, I'm grateful for finding you guys. I've known you guys since IU days back before MIC, but then I jumped over and
Yeah,
joined
you're
you
old
guys.
school. You're old school. So was it
I've
worth
been trading.
switching? Was it worth switching?
Uh
Is it worth
yeah,
switching?
you know what? I tell everybody who's starting out, I tell them, MIC is the best way to start out. Honestly, it's so simple. The process is simple. You can follow it easily. There's other chat rooms. I'm not saying IU is bad. It's pretty good actually, but it's for more advanced traders. You know what I mean? But
Yep.
if you're starting out, MIC is the best, without a doubt.
Yep. That's the thing, man. I told myself, guys, there's a difference between MIC and everybody else. You don't think that we can trade advanced stuff? Of course we can trade advanced stuff. I mean, Alex proves it, right? Every fucking day he
Yeah.
uses strategies to kill it. The thing is, when you make it, who is helping the young guys? No one would
No,
get who
definitely.
would help you. So this is the revolution I want to teach everybody. There are a handful of sharks out there. There might be 100 guys. That's a shark, and they're feasting in other rooms upon all of the little fish, guys. And
Yep.
you don't think I know? I trained those guys. I
I know your stories. I know, but I personally know. I just don't want to say anything because obviously you might
but
not
that's
want
what I'm
other
saying.
people.
So yeah, I'm not gonna say anything. But my point is, MIC is different because we actually want to teach people, right, my friend? That's the difference. We want to teach people to get started because we are not afraid. That's my whole point. The rich people are getting rich. The poor are getting more poor. What I want to do is teach all of the normal people because I used to be normal. You used to be normal. We all used to be
I
normal.
still consider myself normal, bro.
But you know what? I still consider myself normal, but we are more normal than others, right? So,
Yes, that's true.
so
No,
my whole thing
I'm
is
saying,
pay it forward. Yep.
yeah, and you actually do. You and Alex definitely do pay it forward, and I appreciate you. I'm sure many other people do. So, guys, if you're in here, you're watching us. Trust me, I'm not Bal's cousin. I'm not Alex's friend, anything like that. I'm just
Hey,
a normal
you might be
person.
Alex's cousin, not mine. You might be Alex's
I
cousin.
do. Me and Alex do look alike because I'm originally from Iran, so and he's from Armenia, so we're actually neighbors back
Yeah.
home, right? So, but no, seriously, if you're on the fucking fence, just join MIC. Trust me, it will change your life.
Seriously, guys. So hey, so tell us about what you did in the short, man. Come on, start bragging about some of your trades. People like to hear about this, so do it, brother.
Alex, like you look like my cousin. Honestly, I'm mostly short biased for the first red day. My
First red
bread
day.
and butter, and then bounces that go far enough, that extend far enough on those red days or on broken charts is my go-to. Those two. Even if the stock is green but it's beaten down, that's one of my go-tos. I'm not
Yep,
gonna.
that's simple,
I
right?
trade front side too, but I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna encourage people to do it because there's.
No.
I've,
You
no,
that
I'm
this
not
is
gonna
the
do that.
this is those sorting strategies that you just mentioned. They're very simple, right? You don't need to be an
Yeah.
expert to learn them, and they work, man. These
No.
markets, they work, man.
Definitely.
So
Yeah.
hey, thanks for coming on, brother.
Thanks for putting me on, bro. Alex,
Hey,
my
well,
second cousin.
I'll see you at next reunion with Alex and his family.
You
I'll see
never
you at
know. I'll be
Christmas.
there.
I'll see you at Christmas with
I'll
Alex.
catch a plane and join you guys next meetup. I've never have been to a meetup of MIC because I live in Canada, but
Hey,
one
are
day
you?
I'll catch
We
you
have
guys.
a. Hey, what province in Canada?
Ontario. So I'm from Toronto, Ontario.
Oh shit, we have a lot of people from there. So you probably do a meetup, man.
I have a trading buddy actually from Ontario too. Yeah, there's a lot of Canadians in MIC.
So do this, man. If you get bored out there, because I know there's a lockdown and all that stuff. Hey, start a meetup, an MIC Toronto meetup, and we'll sponsor it, bro. Send your cousin the bill. Send your cousin the bill.
All right, well, Alex, you're on the hook for this one, bro.
Hey, but
All right,
I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Throw a meetup in
okay,
Toronto.
bro.
We'll sponsor it. Thanks,
All right,
brother.
I'll message you, man, for the
All right,
details.
man.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
Val.
Thank
Thanks for
you.
putting me on. Later, bro.
Well, there you have it, guys. I mean, I don't want to start this anymore unless you want me to keep going. It's been a great webinar, or I call it a webinar now. But you see, guys, besides the making money part, guys, the first thing you got to do is you have to be with a group of good people. because money is just not the only thing. You want to make money, there's plenty of easier ways to make money. You go rob someone. You can fucking do whatever you need to fucking do. Go and prostitute yourself. It doesn't matter, right? My point being is this, guys. Money is not the end all. You have to have a greater purpose in life. You know, that's what keeps you going. Trading is not the cure for all your bad life handlings. If your life is in chaos, handle your chaos, okay? I just want everybody to know that, you know, joining, if you have no money whatsoever left, use that money to support your family. Don't join and think that you are going to make a Lamborghini tomorrow. And that is what I hate. I hate about these other services. They sell you guys the dream that you can, with $100, turn $100, using because they have a small account challenge, that you see them turn $500 into $1 million. That's bullshit, guys. Don't fall for it. Do not fall for that shit. That's why we have free education and the YouTube channels. Study it. A lot of people have used it to make money so that they can afford to join MIC. There are levels to life. Get your life in order in order for you to make money. Get your life in order for you to start making money. Okay, guys? I'll see you guys on the inside of MIC. Oop, log out. Oh, hit up Tosh, guys. Hit up Tosh. He's going to give you big-ass discounts. And the webinar, myinvestingclub.co.